Hey everyone, the Garmin Vivoactive 6 is the latest addition to Garmin's popular Vivoactive series, bringing several notable upgrades over its predecessor. Designed for fitness enthusiasts, this smartwatch combines advanced health tracking with smart features, making it a strong contender in the wearable market. Following the recent launch of the Enduro 3 in India, Garmin has introduced the Vivoactive 6 with a focus on enhanced performance and user convenience. The watch features a 1.2-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 390 by 390 pixels, offering sharp visuals and improved brightness compared to earlier models. Encased in an aluminum bezel and paired with a comfortable silicone band, the Vivoactive 6 maintains a sleek and sporty design. It comes in a single 42mm size, catering to a unisex audience. Battery life is impressive, delivering up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and up to 21 hours with GPS enabled, ensuring long-lasting performance for daily wear and outdoor activities. One of the standout features is the new Smart Wake Alarm, which monitors sleep patterns and gently vibrates to wake the user during the lightest sleep phase. This ensures a more natural and refreshing wake-up experience, eliminating abrupt interruptions. Fitness tracking has also been enhanced with the addition of running dynamics and running power, utilizing Pace Pro technology to provide deeper insights into performance metrics. These features make it an excellent choice for runners and athletes looking to optimize their training. Health monitoring remains a strong suit, with comprehensive tracking options including blood oxygen saturation, continuous heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, sleep analysis, nap detection, and women's health tracking. The inclusion of multi-GNSS support ensures accurate location tracking for outdoor workouts. Priced at $299, the Vivoactive 6 is competitively positioned against rivals like the Apple Watch Series 10 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. While it lacks some of the premium smart features found in those devices, it excels in fitness and health tracking, making it an ideal choice for active users who prioritize performance over app-heavy functionalities. Overall, the Garmin Vivoactive 6 is a well-rounded smartwatch that delivers reliable tracking, long battery life, and useful wellness features in a stylish and durable package. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.